everyone, this is Hunyah Travels and today I'm making rice paper vegan bacon. Take the rice paper and dip it in some water. So like this, and dip it in there fully. Like this. And place it on the plate. Take the knife and split the rice paper into strips, like this. So cut it into two slips, like this. And actually I'm just going to dip this into more water. So just cut it into strips. So gently just cut it into strips like this. And now this is ready. Take the spoon and take a little bit of the medium sauce and spread it on the rice paper. So just spread it like this. And then just turn this around, flip this, and put it again. And continue the process. To go into the air fryer, so for about 5-10 minutes, that's the next step. Foil to the air fryer and add in the rice paper bacon in the air fryer, like this. So just like this. Now it's gonna be done in a few minutes. And here it is, some air fryer rice paper vegan bacon. You could use this if you want to take out the bacon, but I'm going to just use my hands because it's easier. Just remove it gently. Like this. And like this. And it's done. Of air fryer rice paper vegan bacon. So be sure to like and subscribe to Hunyah Travels and keep an eye out for another new video and Hunyah show and more things coming up. Thank you. Bye.